It's New Year. Happy New Year, everyone.
Kept it, but I can let it go. It's already got barometric trauma damage.
Yeah, season's closed today. You get caught with it. Big old.
Good to know. Thanks.
So yeah, as you can hear, the rockfish season are closed, so we only have bass left to do. So let's go and see what happens. Yeah, I got a fish. I probably, yeah, it's like a freaking huge red cloud. So it's either bait, like a mackerel. That's a mackerel. Oh, it's a calico. It's a legal one too.
Around?
Calico.
Oh, the mackerel calico.
This is a 14.5 inch right here, 14.5 inch. So this is a keeper. First fish of the year, we keep. They'll go back like that way.
You got room for a gap?
Yeah, I do. Oh my god, I got the Doma. So this one white guy give me the gaff. So good. Calcutta bamboo. Let's talk about this gaff. It floats. So look at Sam, he's using a trout rod and he caught something. Yeah, the group is gone. I want to see what you got. £8 line?
2 pound.
2 pound.
Yep.
Wow.
With a 10-pound leader. I got close. I see him.
Feels like you're fighting a tuna. You have color?
Yeah.
Nice.
Feisty little guy.
I bet. Nice. I see color. Oh, that's a legal sand bass on the 2 pound line.
Yep.
Hell yeah, good job. Probably another bass. Oh, mackerel. Mackerel. Lobster bait. I found them. All right, I'm on. Another one. Big old sand bass.
Nice hit. Keeper.
Come on. Why Daiwo? Why you have to do this? Okay. Yeah, definitely a keeper. Oh, let me measure it. Oh yeah, that's definitely the keeper. Sweet. 2 keeper. Just got another one. So I dropped the slow pitch jig down. Didn't really do anything, just kind of like sitting there. Let the swell take care of it for me. But yeah. And there we have it. A sculpin. A sculpin. This one's feisty little guy. All right, it's most likely undersized, so I'm gonna let it go. 10-inch to keep. I don't want to measure one of these because it can sting you, and they're venomous. Delicious fish, but not for me today. Hey, I got a scope in. Look, a little bit too short. All right, I'm actually on a good spot, so let's drop and see. Oh, wait. Yeah, there we go. Danger bass. So Sam just said, we know what's the other name for scoping? Danger bass. And I just got on. Dude, today's on fire. Another one. DJ Kelly. Oh, keeper size. Hey Benny, you want a calico?
Yeah, definitely.
It's yours. I already got 2, so.
I got a bait ball into me.
Dude. Oh. Come on. There we go. You got any calico?
Huh?
You got any calico? Alright. You keeping them? Alright. Oh, this is actually pretty heavy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Oh. Put my net away. That's a keeper. Look.
Oh man.
That's a keeper, dude.
Here, I'll come take it off your hands.
Yeah, let me measure it though. Yeah, that's actually bigger than the one I caught. The one I caught was 15. Would you look at that? $16 and a half. Almost 17. 16 3/4.
Nice.
Another one. Now horse that in, almost here. Dude, these are monster calicos. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, dude, these are like monster size calico. Come on, I'm gonna release you now. I promise. Look.
Oh man. Huh?
Monsters. This is the downside for having a Revo. You don't have very much room to play with. Sorry, buddy. Oh, no. Okay, no puncher. That's good. All right, look at that. Pretty. Look how pretty this one is. All right. So using this is probably 150, yeah, 150 Johnny jig from East Coast. They work here. One drop, one bass. How to horse it in. Sand bass. All right, go home now. Oh, what is this? Some pulling drag. Sand bass. Hey, over here. Okay, fine. But look at this beast. I found the barge. All right, chill. I'm releasing you. I don't want to. Too much work. Go. So this is the story about this area is the Redondo Barge. They were like some fishing barge back in the days, and what happened is the storm sunk it. So they're here for they're basically forever home for the fish. And of course the structure shows very well. There's something down there. No, I'm just trying to go back to the spot. When I found the barge, I marked it. It's a very small structure. It's like a boat. It's about like 30 feet of structure. You have 3D sonar?
What's that?
You have 3D sonar?
No.
All right, let me turn on my 3D sonar. I want to see how it looks like. But see with, okay, I know I can figure this out. Got something? Yeah.
Another white fish. Don't need any more. It's action nonetheless.
Let's see what you got.
Odds are it's a white fish. What do you know?
It's a calico. There you go. So this is like the beginning of the barge. All right, New Year, on New Year's Day, tons of bass, scoping, and overall, very good day. Very good way to start a new year. Happy New Year, everyone. And hopefully everyone have a great 2024.